Moonsugar Meadow-Rebuild! Yes, I know. You probably thought I was done. I thought I was done. But, you know, I've gone and made more companion friends. Let me turn down that music a little bit further. It's still too loud. Let's just go. There we go. It could just not swell triumphantly over the top of me while I'm trying to speak. That would be good. So, obviously the entrance is the same, but I have rebuilt. I also put my statue way up there. Isn't that crazy? It's actually really fun to do. You can't see that she's glowing, but oh well. It's still really cool. So I rebuilt her. She is a little bit more special now. She's a little bit more pointy on top. She's all pointy. And I have increased the rooms to make this more appropriately occupied by my mini companions. So, even though it looks very similar to how it did before, I actually did rip down a lot of what I had built and redo it. So, let's walk. So we've got a living room area down here. The fireplace. Oh, my windows are glowing. Yes, perfect timing. Dining area, still right here by the door. That way, you know, if there are guests over, you don't have to take them into the whole rest of the house. Isn't that how that works? No? Okay. Little gaming area. Or further table, if you should need. The kitchen. The fridge and freezer.
I took extensive notes based on our experiences with the adversary, all in service to future research. If one of my fate lines can skew so drastically away from my own path, what does that say about the nature of choice and chance? Galvanizing.
Xander's my new favorite companion, although currently I'm running around with Sharp as Knives, who is also quite amusing. So upstairs, got a little meeting room here. Fish tank for entertainment. And of course my beautiful baths are still set up down there. We'll go down and visit those later. Here we've got the bathroom for everyone to share. Two toilets, since it's quite a large group. This is Amber's room. This is Miri and Isabel's room. So Miri's got this side. And Isabel this side. Isabel insisted. She said she doesn't need much space. Which was very kind of her. The more I think she just didn't want to argue with Miri. So this is the captain of the group's room. My dear Frita here. She gets all the pretty windows. It wasn't intentional, it just happened to be how things played out, and then I laughed because I'd given her almost all of them. As well as her own fish tank. Her own private little oasis here. And of course, her own private little balcony view. The fancy big bedroom. If she just shared this, everybody would have their own room, right? Little study area. The fish tank. This back here is more study area. Oof, that's clipping. Nope, that's clipping there. Okay, clip on both slightly. There we go. That's better. Nice cozy couch. Another sitting area over here. For upstairs. Mad crazy pet frog. Here's the other little viewing area out. Bastion likes to stand out there. And the group garden. So glad the windows are actually doing their thing. This never happens. I go to make a video and the windows always are like, no, we think we'll all turn off now. It's a little library. Right in the middle of it. Here is Bastion and Azandar's room. Can you guess whose bed this is versus this one? They get windows. They at least have windows. But no private garden. Upstairs. Got a little fountain up here. Beautiful view this way. Beautiful view here. I will never again succeed in getting her perfectly backlit by the sun, but oh well, she's pretty there. Another nice little shaded area to enjoy the view. Wish I had enough slots to put some benches here too, but oh well. Okay. We're going to temporarily run, and I'm going to try to be very smooth and not jerk you all around. There we go. Okay. So we changed up the showers a little bit. We should still put on the appropriate bathing attire, though. So, appearance. There we go. Sorry. Costumes. Hold on a moment. There we go. There we go. Now I'm ready to go take my bath. Let's shower first. Make sure we're nice and clean. You shouldn't get in the baths dirty after all. Of course, we still have our lovely little area down here to sit and enjoy the view, which is quite stunning. At least I think so. And down here, I have created my last companion, who was of course not here to appreciate it. Sharp as knives, little home. Slightly sloshy home. So I intend to replace this structure, half-done structure, with something different. I would love to do... Hello. No. There we go. We're just really slow. I would love to use the new Telvanni doors and maybe some of those big mushrooms and create like a fun little Telvanni pod house here for him down on the water. That's my thought. We'll see. I may do that in the future. But for now, he has a nice comfy little hut to visit while we're all here recuperating from our travels. It is so hard to walk through these. You run through so smoothly, but you're walking, it's like, no. Nuh-uh. Won't do it. Suppose she can take off her costume now. This is Xandar again. Very sharp as knives. Oh, Sharp! Where art thou? There he is. You know, completely opposite of where I'm at.
Life's a grind, then you die. Bad things come for you whether you want them to or not. So you have to fight your hardest to survive and seek out the good in the world, what little of it there may be.
Well, that is a very dour thing for him to say right now, but he's normally quite amusing to travel with. Well, I hope you enjoyed your updated tour of my Moonsugar Meadow, my It Shall Never Ever Be Done Moonsugar Meadow. If I ever completely stop playing around with this place, you'll know something's really wrong. Because it is my best free and clear and open space to build in, and I love it. So I hope you enjoyed this tour. I plan to do a quick tour through of another recent rebuild. So hope you guys see that soon. Thanks for watching.